Pete the Cat Groovy Bake Sale. The school bake sale is coming up. Pete knows he has to make something delicious for it, but the only thing he is making is a giant mess in the kitchen. It turns out baking is not quite as easy as pie. Will Pete's treat be ready in time for the bake sale? And more important, will his treats be yummy enough? Beginning readers will eat up Pete and Cat and his adventure in the kitchen. Pete the Cat's Groovy Bake Sale by James Dean. Pete the Cat is excited about his school bake sale. Pete wants to bake a treat. Bake Sale Friday. What should Pete bake? Pete loves sweets. Pete loves cookies, Pete loves pies, Pete loves brownies, cakes, marshmallow treats, and ice cream sundaes. I'll make cookies, Pete thinks. Pete takes out eggs, flour, sugar, and of course, chocolate chips. He puts everything in a bowl. He stirs and stirs. Pete makes a big mess. He rolls the dough into balls, and his mom helps put them into the oven. They wait for the cookies to bake. They smell so yummy. Then things smell less yummy. Some of the cookies are burnt. Pete has to start over. What else can he make? He tries to make ice cream sundaes, but they turned into ice cream soup. He tries to make pudding pie, but runs out of crust. The kitchen is a big mess. He has no treats for the bake sale. You'll find something yummy to bring to the bake sale, says Pete's mom. He has some berries, vanilla pudding, and a few cookie pieces. I've got it, Pete says. I'll use a little bit of all of it. So he adds whipped cream and berries to the pudding and stirs. Then he adds some cookie pieces to the mix. Carefully, he scoops some onto a tray. He puts the tray in the fridge. The next morning, it is a tray of tasty, groovy berry goodness. His mom helps him scoop his treat into little cups. He brings them to school. Bake sale! Pete puts his berry cups onto the bake sale table. What is that? Asked Callie. Groovy berry goodness, says Pete. His friends give it a try. His dessert is a hit. Soon all the treats are gone. But Pete saves one. He gives it to his mom. Thanks for your help. The end. Thanks for watching.
Check out my videos and other playlists. Thank you.